Here we go, fight first 18. Making his way to the cage in the blue corner. Please put your hands together for Sheldon Rodwell.
We both came up on the gritty streets of Jamaica, Queens. Two street kids now, man.
And his opponent in this contest making his way to the cage in the red corner. Please put your hands together for Sam Bird. Introducing your fighter in the blue corner, put your hands together for Sheldon Rodwell. And his opponent facing across the cage in his professional bout. In the red corner, let's hear it for Sam Bird. Again, his professional MMA contest scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. Your referee, Carl Chino. We've got your winner by way of referee stoppage after 53 seconds of round number 1. Declaring your winner by ground and pound. In the red corner, Sam Bird. And that's your for Sheldon Rodwell.